So we will solve some more problems. So to this homogeneous differential, first question is x into dy by dx minus y plus x into sin y by x is equal to 0. Here you see what you have to do. You have to convert it in dy by dx form. So what is it? X dy by dx is equal to y minus x sin y by x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y minus x sin y by x by x. Now, you have to differentiate. So, y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx means what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx. Therefore, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y is vx minus x into sin vx by x by x. Now, v plus x dv by dx is equal to v minus sin v. V cancel. Therefore, you are getting x dv by dx is equal to minus sin v. Therefore, dv by sin v is equal to minus dx by x. So, cosec v dv plus dx by x is equal to 0. What is cosec v integral? Log modulus cosec v minus cot v plus log modulus x is equal to c. What is our v? V is log modulus cosec y by x minus cot y by x plus log modulus x is equal to c. So, this is the way we have to find the solution of this differential equation. Now, next one. This is the next question. Y dx plus x log y by x dy minus 2x dy is equal to 0. Therefore, from here, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to y by x log y by x. Dy by dx is equal to minus y by x log y by x minus 2x. So, rearranging it will be y by 2x minus x log y by x. Now, you substitute y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx means what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Therefore, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y is what? Vx by 2x minus x log v. Now, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v by 2 minus log v. Therefore, x dv by dx is equal to v by 2 minus log v minus v. So, v minus 2v plus v log v by 2 minus log v. So this is minus v plus v log v by 2 minus log v. Now, therefore, x dy by dx is equal to v into 1 minus log v by 2 minus log v. Now, two minus log v by v into 1 minus log v. dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. How to integrate this? You substitute u is equal to log v in the left hand side. So du by dv is what? 1 by v. So du is equal to what? dv by. So it is 2 minus u by 1 minus u du is equal to minus integral dx by x. This we can write it as 2 minus u, you can write it as 1 minus u plus 1 by 1 minus u du is equal to minus dx by x. Now, if you're splitting it, this becomes 1 plus 1 minus u du is equal to minus dx. So, u plus log 1 minus u is equal to minus log modulus. What is our u? U is log v. Log v plus log 1 minus log v is equal to minus log modulus x plus c. That is our v. V is y by x. Therefore, answer is, therefore solution is log y by x plus log 1 minus log y by x is equal to minus log modulus x plus c. This is the answer. So this is the way we are differentiating. You are solving the differential equation. Now, another question. Question number 7. What is it? Question number 7. X cos y by x plus sin y by x into y dx is equal to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x into x dy. So what is dy by dx from here? Dy by dx is equal to, what is it? X cos y by x plus y sin y by x into y divided by y sin y by x minus x cos y by x into x. Now, substitute y is equal to vx. So what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx. So the answer is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, this is x into cos y by x, that means cos v, plus vx into sin v into vx by vx into sin v minus x into cos v to x. Now, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus v squared sin x is cancelling by v sin v minus cos v. Therefore, x dv by dx is equal to, what is it? V cos v plus v squared sin v by v sin v minus cos v minus v. So it is v cos v plus v squared sin v minus v squared sin v plus v cos v by v sin v minus cos v. So v squared sin v cancel. Therefore, x dv by dx is equal to 2v cos v by v sin v minus cos v. Therefore, v sin v minus cos v into dv by v cos v is equal to, and the 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 is equal to dx by x. So substitute u is equal to v cos. Now integrating. So u is equal to v cos v. U is equal to v cos v means what is du by dv? Du by dv is equal to v into cos v, derivative is minus sin v, plus cos v into v, derivative is 1. So du by dv is equal to cos v minus v sin v. minus du is equal to v sin v minus cos v into dv. Therefore, half into integral minus du by u is equal to dx by x. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 log u is equal to log modulus x plus c. U is what? U is minus 1 by 2 log v cos v is equal to log modulus x plus c. What is our v by x? So minus 1 by 2 log modulus y by x into cos y by x is equal to log modulus x plus c. So this is the answer. More question is here. 1 plus e raised to x by y into dx plus e raised to x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. So what is here dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus e raised to x by y, e raised to x by y into x by y minus 1. Now substitute here you take it reverse. Dx by dy is equal to what? E raised to x by y into x by y minus 1 by e raised to x by y plus 1. Now substitute v is equal to x by y. So x is equal to what? Vy. X Vy means what is dx by dy? V plus y into dy by v plus y into dv by dy. So v plus y into dv by dy is equal to e raised to x by e raised to v into v minus 1 by e raised to v plus 1. Taking LCM, you are getting y dv by dy is equal to e raised to v into v minus 1 by e raised to v plus 1 minus v. So it is e raised to v minus v e raised to v, minus e raised to v e raised to v minus e raised to v minus v e raised to v minus v by e raised to v plus 1. So v e raised to v minus v e raised to v cancel. So y dv by dy is equal to minus of v plus e raised to v by e raised to v plus 1. Now e raised to v plus 1 dv by v plus e raised to v plus that minus, if you come to the left hand side, it is 0. Now integrate it. So if you substitute u is equal to v plus e raised to v's derivative is numerator. So we can write it as log modulus v plus e raised to v plus log modulus x plus c is equal to 0. What is our v? V is x by y. X by y plus e raised to x by y plus log modulus x plus c is equal to 0. That's all about it. That is normal problems of homogeneous. Thank you.